Okay guys, so we've just gone and bought some parts for our BMWs. We bought 2 diffs and we bought some amber indicators and a couple of seat bolts. So we're just heading to the car wash now to give these diffs a wash off because they're absolutely filthy, and one of them is a LSD, so that's going to be pretty good when we get that in. It'll look up real nice, won't it, Jake?
Yes, very nice. Alright guys, so we just got back from washing off our new diffs, so here they are in all of their glory. The mighty small case E36 diff, but this one's actually an LSD, which is kind of exciting. So I'm going to start ripping them down so we can change the oil, so we'll just get stuck straight into it.
Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.
Right guys, so that's going to be the end of part 1 of our diff replacement, because there's a noise coming from the rear end of the car, so we were hoping that it would just be the diff would need replacing, like the pinion preload was out or something and there was a bit of backlash between the gears, but the diff we pulled out actually seems pretty solid, so we don't think it's that. So the next thing that's got a bit of play in it is the universal joint on the tail shaft, so we're going to have to try and source a new one of them. So yeah, it's going to be fun trying to figure out what that is, but for the meantime, these are the diffs that we've picked up. So we've got, this one's the one that we pulled out of the car, so it's actually pretty solid, so we've just chucked it back together and we're just going to keep it as a spare. And this is the new one we bought for Ben's car, so we filled it up with brand new oil and done a makeshift gasket on it and whatnot, so that's the one we're going to chuck in the car. And then this one's a factory LSD that we've picked up for my car, so we'll be chucking that in next weekend or something, so yeah, stay tuned for that. Cheers, bye.
Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.